kids, I hope all of you have done counting activities done in the previous videos. Did you all try playing hopscotch using numbers? Today, let's learn different ways of counting and in which places we use numbers. But first, let's listen and watch a story. Pay attention to the story as I'll be asking few questions at the end of the story. Are you ready? One day, an old man planted a carrot seed. Every day, the old man watered the plant and the carrot grew big and sweet, and it grew very, very big. He tried to pull out the carrot, but it did not come out. He quickly called his wife. Then the old man pulled the carrot leaves and the old woman pulled him. But they could not pull it out. The old woman called her granddaughter. The old man, the old woman and the granddaughter tried but could not pull the carrot out. The granddaughter called the dog. Now the old man, his wife, the granddaughter and the dog tried to pull the carrot out, but they could not pull the carrot out again. The carrot must be very big. Now the dog called the cat. Everyone tried to pull, and the cat held on to the dog's tail and tried to pull, but the carrot did not move at all. Then the cat called the mouse. They all pulled hard together and the carrot came out. Zaboom! They all fell down. They were so excited to see the big carrot. So they all went to the kitchen to make gajar ka halwa and ate it up. Now, that was an interesting story. Now tell me, how many are pulling the carrot? Who was the first one to pull it? And who was the fourth one to pull the carrot out? Can you tell me how many were pulling before the rat came to help them? We all use numbers in different ways. Let's think, how do we count the number of chairs in our house? By using numbers. Now, how do you count the number of books that you have read? How do we count the number of runs made by Virat Kohli? Now, can you count the number of spoons and glasses in your house? Yes, we know that the numbers can tell us the count of things. But sometimes numbers don't give us the count of things. Are you confused? Yes, let me tell you how. Let's look at the colorful buttons here. In which row do you see the red buttons? Yes, the red buttons are on the first row, yellow buttons on second row, blue buttons on the third row and orange buttons on the fourth row. Now, I have one more question for you. Can you tell me how many buttons are there in total? Amazing! 12 buttons. Did you notice the way you use numbers like 1 and first, 2 and second, 3 and third, 4 and fourth? What is the difference between these numbers? Very good. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th are all called ordinal numbers. Now, where do we use these ordinal numbers? Let me tell you a story. Raju, Vinny, Tina, Sohan, Ria had a running race. Now tell me who's winning the race? Yes, Sohan is in the first place and he wins the race. Now tell me, who is the last person to win the race? Who stands third in the running race? Now look at this picture. Can you count how many floors are there in this apartment? Yes, there are 7 floors along with ground floor. Let me ask you a question. On which floor do we have our computer lab in the school? When do we celebrate our Independence Day? Yes, that's right. It's on August 15th. And what's important on December 31st? Think and let me know. So, we use ordinal numbers to tell the position or the order of things and objects. Are you all ready for a game? I call this a hide and seek game. Now, how do we play that? Here, I have lined up few paper cups and numbered them with ordinal numbers. So, this is first, second, third and so on. I have few things here. And now I'll call Miss Gautami, and without her knowledge, I'll be hiding few things under the glasses and she has to guess where those things are. Are we ready? Let's call Miss Gautami.
Hi.
Now I'll ask her to look away and I'll hide few things under these glasses. Yes, Miss Gautami, turn back. Can you guess under which cup the car is kept?
Seventh, no. Second? Is it
Let's check. No.
Okay, can I try once again?
Yes.
10th?
It's not under the 10th glass. I'll give you one more chance. You turn back. Okay. Turn around. I've hidden a keychain under one of these cups. Can you guess under which cup it is kept?
Okay. Is it in 4th cup?
Check. No.
Is it in 9th cup?
No.
No. Do I get one more chance?
Yes, that's the last chance you'll get.
Okay. Second. No. 4th. I think I tried 4th. Okay. 8th.
Let's check. Yay! She found the keychain. Isn't that interesting? Now all of you can hide different things under the glasses or cups and you can play a hide and seek game with your family members.